Hi, this is Vijay. In this video, I am going to give my personal findings and analysis on one particular IT stock which is giving high momentum trading for equity investors as well as F&O traders as well as option traders. The stock is Wipro. Before going to give my trading levels and analysis, I would like to say a few points about the trading tips platforms operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. We have three kinds of trading tips platforms in WhatsApp named Superfans Option and Superfans Equity and Superfans Penny, in which I would like to say a few points about the Superfans Option. Superfans Option is a trading tips plan for retail traders, small investors, those who are having a surplus money of 10k. 10,000 rupees can be considered as surplus money as well as working capital for trading in stock options. For them, we give stock option trading tips with the entry price, target price, and related update and alert through WhatsApp. The subscription to join Superfan option is 7,999 per month. Recently, we gave very fabulous, attractive profits. In Adani Enterprises 1,800 call option, we gave 7 times growth of investment within this capital. And recently, we also gave trading tips in Apollo Hospital 5,200 call option. It gave 3 times growth of investment in this group within few days of holding. Now, the subscription for joining Superfans option is 7,999 per month. It is very much negligible when it is compared to the results, the outcome from the trading tips. How to join the Superfans option? You can remit the subscription by Google Pay or Phone Pay or Amazon Pay or Paytm to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number, Bull Street WhatsApp number is there is only one WhatsApp number, one Bull Street, only one Vijay. No other person is connected here. Beware of fake people who are you may be reflecting our name in Telegram. We do not have any trading tips activities in Telegram. We do not have any VIP group or premium group, whatever group. All of our activities are confined only to WhatsApp as well as a blog website. So subscribe to Superfans option and make wonders with your little capital. Disclaimer is purely apply. Suppose if you are having a capital around 1 lakh rupees, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. I'll give the details at the end of this video. Here the name of the stock is Wipro. Why Wipro is not moving much? Why Wipro is falling continuously in past a few days? So this is the question mark standing around the among the investors who are invested in Wipro stock, who are targeting Wipro stock for trading, who are interested to buy Wipro stock for long-term wealth making or seasonal investment. The question is, in many videos, I used to tell that the Wipro turned as a trader's delight from the investor's delight. So Wipro was a stock in older ages. It was a stock for purely for investment like TCS and Infosys. But whereas once after the management changes occurs, once the junior person occupied the chair of Azim Premji, the Wipro stock becomes highly speculative. It is a trader's delight, I can say. And considering the recent level of Wipro stock, I have seen the price, ongoing price recently, the Wipro stock is 640 level. The 640 level is very much high because starting from few months ago, the stock is moving up and up and up. So it gave a fabulous profit also. This current price is overpriced. Another reason is recently Wipro has been announced that they are partnering with different companies for different domains. So I can say the partnership of Wipro with DriveNets for communication area and Agrico for finance and procurement area and Salesforce for consultancy for higher education and AWS migration for again communication area and TEOCO for network solution and for communication area. So here one can smell Wipro is starting a migration from core IT business. So Wipro is starting to focus on communication area and Wipro is focused on higher education area and Wipro is focused on Salesforce kind of entities. So this kind of migration may not be attractive for conventional traders, those who are interested in Wipro stock. So they may sell off the stock and they may wait for 1 quarter outside the stock, and they just want to judge the stock, then they will come into the stock again. So Wipro stock may have a jolt for a period of 2 to 3 months. So this is temporary. So this is one. And another one is the stock itself overbought in the overbought stage. So definitely profit selling will occur continuously. So when this stock falls below 600 level, it may even touch to 588 level. If the stock falls below 588 level, it will become very weak. Then one can consider of doing bottom fishing below 588 level, and the level between 588 and to 640 level will give you swing trading opportunity and micro swing trading opportunity and intraday trading opportunity. So traders are particularly F&O traders, particularly option traders, can concentrate these two levels only. I mean to say that 588 level and 648 level. So between these two level, extreme level, one can think, suppose the stock has bounce back, the stock is moving above 640 level. So it may, next level is 672 level, and next 680 to 686 level, and finally in my prediction the stock may reach 702 level. So if the stock moves in the positive horizon, you can fix the level between 640 to 640 and 702 levels. Between these two levels, one can have the back and forth move, one can make a swing trading or micro swing trading, whatever it is. So this is about the Wipro stock. Now I would like to say a few points about the trading tips plan for higher end traders, known as Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. In Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, we used to give the double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, mini jackpot trading tips, and occasional jackpot trading tips. So these trading tips will be posted during the live market in Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. The capital requirement to join this Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine is around 1 lakh rupees. So if you have a surplus of 1 lakh rupees, and if you consider yourself a passionate personal trader, and if you are willing to stay for a period of 1 year, slowly, progressively, and selectively doing trading with stock option, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. Disclaimer is purely apply, because this Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine is not at all suitable for retail and small traders. It is only suitable for elite traders like you. So if you fall in this category, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. Otherwise, you can subscribe to, if you consider yourself as a small trader, small investor, or retail person, or small person, you can subscribe to Superfans option. The subscription to join Superfan option is 7,999 per month only. You can subscribe and you can join Superfans option, or if you think big, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.